Hello everyone. In today's video we will learn how to add days, month or years to a given date. So we'll use the DateAdd function, and I've got the DateAdd function open here with me. And you look at this, the syntax for the date. So it says returns a specified date with a specified number interval added to a specified date part. Slightly complicated as an example, or as a definition. But so what it's doing is it's got DateAdd. We're giving the date part that needs to be added or subtracted, the number we want to add or subtract, and then the date. And these are the date parts that you can use. So you can use year, quarter, month, day of year, and so on. For this example, we'll just look at year, month, and day. So we'll look at this, we'll look at this, and we'll look at this, and you can play and experiment with other date parts. So I've got the date here, which just gives me today's date. And then I'm saying I'm using the DateAdd function, I'm using the date part day, and I'm adding 10 days to the date. Similarly, I'm subtracting 10 dates in the second here. Here I'm adding a month. Here I'm subtracting 1 month. Here I'm adding a year, and here I'm subtracting a year. So everywhere it's the same format. You give the date part, the number of or the quantity needed to be subtracted or added, and the date. So if I run this, I'll run this again. So the first date is just the current date. And then the next column, it adds 10 days to today's date. So today's date is 10th of September. It gives me 20th September. And when I subtract 10 days, it gives me 31st of August. Similarly, if I add a month, it gives me 10th of October. And if I subtract a month, it gives me 10th of August. Now I've added a year, so it's giving me 10th of September 2018. And similarly for last year, 10th of September 2016. I've also used a table and sort of used the same logic. So I'm querying the dim date table, and FullDateAlternateKey is the date. And I'm passing this in place of getDate. I've substituted that with the DateAlternateKey. And if I execute this, for example, if it's the 1st of January 2005, 10 days ahead of it is 11th of January 2005, and 10 days prior is 22nd of December, and then we add months and year and so on. So in this example, we learned how to add or subtract days, months, years, quarters. You can use, I've not taken that up, week and quarter and other date parts, but you can just, in place of day, if I put in quarter and run this, see, it's giving me the 1st of July, so it's just added quarter onto this. This I don't understand how this is done. Because it's added 10 quarters. So that's why I got confused. Let's just add 1 quarter and see what we get. So it's giving me 1st of April 2005. So that worked. I was a little worried that maybe we'd picked up a bug, but I'm pretty sure they do thorough testing with this. I hope you find this example useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you're enjoying what I'm doing. Thanks.